Good afternoon, everyone. As we had discussed about the fractions and the fundamental operations which were in the part of fractions, now we are going to discuss a new topic, that is decimals. Clear? Up now, just take few examples so that it will be clear for you. For example, if I say that I have 12.5 rupees, I had covered a distance of 25.5 kilometer. I need 1.5 liter of milk. Right? What is this all? See, some dot is there. Right? This dot is called decimal point. What is called as decimal point? Clear? Let's talk about some basic. As we all know that each number has its place value. For example, if I had written 125, in this 125, each of the digit have its own place value. Clear? What was that place value? See, it was ones, tens. I hope you all know the full form, so I am writing the abbreviations so that it takes less space as well as lesser time. 0, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Right? So it means if it is ones, it means single number is there. Tens, 10 is there. 100, 100, 1000, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. In same way, we will move forward. Clear? Means, let us look more deeper as a basic. See, this is a piece of chocolate. As it is 1. Right? Here it means a bunch of chocolate which has how many number of chocolates? 10. Right? Here how many chocolates? I am not counting, I am just explaining so that it will be easier for you to understand. Just suppose that it is a bunch of 100 chocolates. In the same way, we will move like this. Clear? I am talking from the basic. Just try to understand it. For example, if I have written 1 or 432. If this was our number, if this is our number, then what is the place value of 2? Ones. What is the place value of 3? Tens. What is the place value of 4? 100. Clear? If we represent with the figure, then how many pieces of chocolate? 2. As this is the units place. 3 means 10 piece of chocolates in one box, as well as how many box? 3 box. Matlab 3 tens. We need 3 tens, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 as well as this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Right? Same with here also. Here a block of 100 chocolates. How many blocks? 4 blocks. Now we can write it at 432. So 2 has its place value as ones, so 2 pieces of chocolate. 3 tens means 3 boxes of 10 chocolates. 400 means 4 blocks of 100 chocolates. Clear? Now, after this, if I want to break this single piece of chocolate into several parts, for example 10 parts, then we can write it as 1 upon 10, right? And place value of this will become tenth. Clear? And from here only our decimal starts, और यहीं से हमारा डेसिमल शुरू हो जाता है, राइट? आफ्टर दिस वी विल मूव फॉर hundredth means a single piece had been broken into 100, has been broken into 100. Clear? So this is a place value for 10, this is a place value for 100th. TH is there, just see, right? So if we are going to write a single number like 485, it means 5 is ones, 8 is tens, 4 is 100. मतलब 5 ones है, 8 tenth है, tens है, सॉरी tens, 4 100. क्लियर? जो कि प्लेस वैल्यू हमने पहले पढ़ी थी. बट जैसे ही मुझे डेसिमल मिलता है, जो फर्स्ट नंबर होगा दैट विल बी 10th, सेकेंड नंबर विल बी 100th, and next one is 1000th, 10,000th. Clear? So as you are able to see on the screen, number written before decimal, before मतलब पहले, decimal से पहले जो लिखा है, that is called as whole number, या whole, इसको हम whole number कह सकते हैं, right? और जो ये बाद में लिखा है इस डॉट के, this is called the decimal part. Clear? Now, how to read it? We are going to read each digit separately. For example, if I have to read this number 485.53. Clear? If we need to just take a second number, if we are going to read this number, then how we are going to read? 189.654. Clear? In this manner we are going to read it. Now if we want to express in expanded form, so 1 has place value of 100, 1 into 100, plus 8 has a place value of tens, 8 into tens, 9 has a place value of ones, 9 into 1, point, decimal is there, so we have to keep in mind that this is the decimal and the next part is the 10th part, means 6 divided by 10. Clear? 5 divided by 100 plus 4 divided by 1000. Clear? In this manner we are going to write the expanded form. or you can write like this also, 189 plus 6 upon 10, 5 upon 100, 4 upon 1000. Now see how these all can be expressed. 6 upon 10 will be represented at 0.6. 5 upon 100, 0.05. 4 upon 1000, 0.004. क्लियर? मतलब हमें ये देखना है नीचे कितने जीरो हैं, हमें उतने राइट साइड से उतने नंबर बाद पॉइंट लगाना है. क्लियर? ये था हमारा डेसिमल का बेसिक. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. In the next video, we are going to discuss with some of the operations as for conversion, addition, subtraction, how to place decimal numbers, right? We are going to discuss it. Thank you.